This is my farmland. This is the place which feeds my family, my children. I'm giving it everything, but still the quality of soil has gone down season by season. There are no crops in my land. I don't know what to do. Even my children work with me in the farm. I am worried about their health and education. Buyers cheat me over prices of crops. Looking at the condition of my farm, nobody is ready to lend money. Every week, I walk 50 miles barefoot to get fertilizer for my farm.
Hi, we are Team Sam from India and we have made a project called Project Smart Countryside. This project calculates certain soil parameters such as the soil pH, soil moisture. We are using these parameters and analyzing soil to improve the output of the crops. As you can see, there are two beakers. We take a soil sample and we mix it in the ratio of 1 part of soil and 2 parts of distilled water. As soon as we mix the samples, we insert a pH meter inside the beaker. Now, as you can see, there is a pH electrode that we are holding. This is covered with an AgCl coating. We are going to immerse it into the solution, which is a homogeneous solution of the soil sample and distilled water. Once the pH electrode is immersed inside,
Yes.
the data from the soil pH parameters is sent via a microcontroller circuit after signal conditioning via the RS-232 port to the E-box. Here we have an application which consists of various features. So we select the first option, that is select a crop, and we get the reading. There is a command button. Once we select get reading, we get the pH data onto the screen. If we want to have more soil samples, more than one, we can click on save and analyze more, which is the second command button. The third command button is save and suggest crops. When we click the third command button, it gives us the suggested crops that you could grow at the required pH level. This system will be designed to give improvements and help us improve the quality of the soil and the output of the farmers by suggesting how you can grow your crops at the desired pH level, which is the optimum level. There are other features in this application such as loans, which we will help farmers get loans from microfinancial and other institutions. There is a lock-in screen where you can access the marketplace. The marketplace is a place where farmers can interact with the vendors in order to sell their commodities at a good price and get value for what they grow. The other features in this application are education. Using education, we can educate the children of the village wirelessly using a web camera in future. Smart Countryside also has an SMS feature which is used inside the marketplace. The SMS feature can be used to communicate between the farmer and the vendor and back to the farmer using the kiosk and the cell phones that the vendors have, using an SMS server.
But I don't have money to buy this amazing system.
This solution does not cost to farmer. We are tying up with fertilizer companies for this solution.
We like your solution and we are ready to fund it since it's going to provide us a global. It's
It's a complete win-win situation for us.
Smart countryside.
Smart countryside.
Smart countryside.
Smart countryside.
Smart countryside.